War ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambak penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ki don Kumba aspa Tylli ki Longïing ki wala Shah Ktah na ka Jingpluh ding ki wala ja ha going ka compound kemudian hajan Jaka parking lot yo molong. Superintendent of Police ka East Kasiel suba Vivek se mulai thu bakam chim dan kanu kanu ka jingyap dan ka jingman sao jang ki breu mulai thu bagi bor penyak district ila Pynbiang Jaka yaki Kumbalai ne sao Jaka ki don ki kenhuan ki wala Jaka ha gurudwara USP ulai thu balala ban pelib ya keding dak jingkloi ki kali pelib ding na ki station per kumjuru na ki army ki BSF bat ki air force.
Again, 2-3 days. We got information at about 4:34 that fire had taken place in this area in Goenka compound, and immediately fire control was informed to send fire tenders immediately. So a number of fire tenders rushed to the spot, initially about two or three, and after that multiple fire tenders from other forces like the army, the BSF, the Air Force had also come to the spot and doused the fire. I'm told about 200 households have been affected, and relief measures are being organized by the district administration. So it will be about 3 places where people who have been rendered homeless will be housed for the moment. We are ensuring that the place is safe, and since this fire has happened and all that, there's no spread of this fire because there's still cinders still burning, and the fire service, including home guards, is still engaged in the place.
Is there any casualty in this incident?
There's no casualty. Well, the cause of the incident has not been ascertained as yet, but it happened at about 4:30, whereby during the day there's load shedding, and suddenly and the light comes at 4 o'clock. So there's a possibility of a short circuit, but yet we will investigate and find out the real cause of the fire.
Okay, since there's no casualty, but are there anyone who got injured from the incident?
No, nobody's injured.